In this video, we will set up, test, and remove a reverse proxy using Nginx on Debian 13. First, we update the package list to get the latest software information. Install Nginx web server. Make sure Nginx service is running. Now we will create a simple backend service using Python for testing. Create a Python script that listens on port 3000. Run the backend service in the background. Next, we configure Nginx to act as a reverse proxy to the backend service. Create a new Nginx configuration file for the reverse proxy. Enable the new reverse proxy configuration by linking it to sites enabled. Test the Nginx configuration for syntax errors. Reload Nginx to apply the new configuration. Now, we test the reverse proxy by requesting the Nginx server. Send a HTTP request to localhost and check the response. The response should be from the backend service, confirming the reverse proxy works. We can also check the backend service is still running. Now let's remove the reverse proxy setup in backend service. Stop the backend Python service. Remove the reverse proxy configuration file and its symbolic link. Reload Nginx to restore default settings. Remove Nginx if you want to fully uninstall it. Verify Nginx is no longer installed. And that was how to set up, test, and remove a reverse proxy with Nginx on Debian. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, we help instructors create videos and educational materials for their own students. So if you need videos like this for your own channel or platform, check the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.